everyone. For our arithmetic sequence a sub n, we have our third term plus our fifth term equals 36. And our second term plus times our fourth term is 180. We're going to find the maximum value of positive integer k such that a sub k is less than 100. Alright, so we're going to use our definition of arithmetic sequence here and let a equal your first term and d equal your common difference. I'll just put difference here. Now let's fill in everything we need here. We need a sub 2. So a sub 2 using our formula is going to equal your first term plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's going to be 1 times d. A sub 3 is going to be a plus 2d. 3 minus 1 is 2. A sub 4 is a plus 3d. And a sub 5 is a plus 4d. Alright, so now we're going to add these first two terms, a sub 3 and a sub 5. So a sub 3 plus a sub 5 equals a plus 2d plus a plus 4d. This equals 36. So we get 2a plus 6d equals 36. If you want, we can just divide everything by 2. So we get a plus 3d equals 18. So we're going to call this equation 1. All right. Now for the second one, we have our second term times our fourth term is 180. So a sub 2 times a sub 4. That equals a plus d times a plus 3d. Well, we can use substitution here. A plus 3d is 18. So this really is a plus d times 18, and this equals 180. So if you divide everything by 18, we're going to get a plus d equals 10. I'll call that equation 2. Now if you take equation 1 and subtract equation 2, that's going to give me, we're just subtracting here, we're going to get 2d equals 8. So d is 4. Now if d is 4, I substitute it back in here. So that would mean that a is 6. So this is what we need to set up our equation here to finish this up. So our d is 4 and our a is 6. Alright, so let's fill in our definition here. So a sub n equals your first term plus n minus 1 times d. This equals 6 plus 4n minus 4, which equals 4n plus 2. Alright, so that's your nth term. Now we're looking for the kth term that has to be less than 100. So basically, if I'm looking for our kth term, that would equal 4k plus 2. So 4k plus 2 has to be less than 100. So 4k is less than 98. So k has to be less than 98 divided by 4. And that equals 24 and 1/2. But we need a maximum value of positive integer. This isn't an integer, so we have to round down. Therefore, the maximum positive integer of k is just going to be 24. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.